My name is Lauren, and on behalf of Expert Village, I'm here to talk to you about styles on the go. I'm going to show you now how to do the side sweep, which you see many actresses, many people, many celebrities actually do with their hair, and they usually have a stylist do it. I'm going to show you how to do it within your own bathroom. You take the partings of your hair, you side sweep, you bring it over. I'm going to put a little bit of product there because she's got some flyaways. I normally like to use light spray. Another good technique is to spray it in your hand rather than actually on your hair and then push down with it. You'll get a little bit more of that sleekness and it'll place the hairspray exactly where you want it to go. You're going to take any sort of tail comb. I recommend purchasing one of these. It's a teasing brush. It is perfect for doing updos, for doing separations, parting hair, teasing hair. You're going to just separate it from behind the ear, just straight down, so that way you have a nice straight separation. You're going to follow that along the other side and also carry straight down right behind the ear. I suggest using a jaw clip or a ponytail holder and getting rid of that rest of the hair to make it easier so you can concentrate on this area. You're going to pull this down. Make sure you get all that hair over. And then you are going to slightly twist the hair and place it behind your ear. That way it'll keep it nice and smooth and consistent going down. You will then take a bobby pin and lock the hair in. You simply put one going up, and in order to keep that look and to keep the hair in place, you may then take another one and crisscross over that bobby pin. What that is going to do is going to make it more secure and help keep your bobby pins in place all day.